Hi everyone, my name is Eyitayo Alimi. I'm from Nigeria and I flew in 19 hours to give this talk. Yeah, and thank you. And I'm super excited because today's Community Day. I'm a software engineer and in the last 7 years, I've been very interested in the community because it's something needful. So it need a heart to feed. So I run my company, it's a startup, and it's what we do is basically software, hardware, and community. Yeah, so you can find me on Twitter at this handle. Yeah, so I've worked with a couple communities in the last 5 to 7 years, GDG, Wikipedia community, TEDx, Women Tech Makers, and a lot of that. Yeah, so there's something about community, right? No matter what it is, the codes cannot keep the community. Without people, there's no community, right? You can be at home wherever you are. I could be in Nigeria to work on my Go project. I don't have to come to this conference. Or can a conference be put together for codes? No, it's not possible. It is the people that actually make up the community. So whatever it is that you do, ensure that the community, you find a way that you have your well-being still intact, right? A lot of people come to the community for different things. In the last 7 years, I've been doing this, and I've seen so many things that people don't even think about. Like it hasn't crossed their mind. So I'm going to be analyzing a couple things and how you can possibly, tackle them when they now come. Yeah. So like I'll say it's everything that can go wrong with your well-being, mental well-being. It's very very important. We developers, we suffer a lot of mental ill health. I've come across a lot of people suffering a lot of things, like nobody to talk to and all of that. So we should kind of like take cognizance of all of these things because they are very, very, very important. Yeah, so what is it like? I've encountered envy. Some people just don't know why your community is working. You put a lot of sleepless nights, to put things together, and they just don't get it. They are not happy with what you're doing and all of that. So you should be prepared for that if you're a community manager. It is gonna come, right? You're working with people. You are not working with pieces. It's people. They are humans too. So you should expect that. Yeah, and then as a community manager, I've met with a lot of people. Some people feel that they are too white, they are too black, they are too good, they are too brilliant, they are too old. You know, for that you can't stay in your own community. I mean, these are the things that you have to like manage very, very well. Of course, you love the community, you're excited about the community, but you must also notice that there are some people that have different kind of mindsets coming into the community. Then trolling, yeah, some people just come to the community. Like I had a case of a guy followed someone from Twitter to one of the communities I manage, just trolling the person. It happened, started on Twitter, and it came into real life. I studied computer engineering in school. Those were the things I wasn't taught in my, computer engineering classes. Yeah, but how was I able to manage that? Because I was kind of prepared for all of those things. Then differences. Everybody, we come from different backgrounds. Some people, it's fine for some cultures to give you stuff with left hand. It's forbidden in another culture for you to give some people stuff with the left hand. So like you should be able to manage all of that. Some people might find it offensive, or why are you waving at me with your left hand? Why are you handling things to me with your left hand? So you have to like be able to do that. And the one that happened to me last year was impersonation. It was very, very serious. That was the height of it. I never thought it was going to happen. But because I've had this at the back of my mind that I'm dealing with humans, I was able to like juggle things out. So when all of this happened, what do? Just take a deep breath, right? First of all, you have to relax so that you won't do what you don't want. You won't be angry, talk, say things that you'll regret later, or be fast to do a tweet when you're angry. Just relax and analyze, why is this person being difficult in the community? Is it about you? Is it about them? Is it about something they are suffering? Just try and analyze why they are being so difficult, and you get a hang of that. And then examine the negativity web, right? It's someone. You don't know how many people that thing has gotten to. Probably somebody is not happy. I didn't get a kosher meal in that meetup. How many people have that gone to? Probably you even paid the caterer, and it wasn't even your fault as a community manager, but it's the caterer's fault and all of that. So you also have to know how many people has this person spoken to about this grievance. Then have a chat with the person, call them. It actually may not even be about you. It might be about something, they had a bad day at work or they're having a bad day at home. It may not even have anything to do with you. So just call them and have a chat and see how it is. And whatever it is that is happening, there has to always be a policy in the community. That is where you have to work with it. It's not about the person. Let them know it's not about them. Like, these are rules you have to follow. You understand? You can't keep waving things and waving things and waving things. You have to just work with the rules. And ensure that when tackling it, do not talk at them. Address the issue at hand. Don't just talk at them. Don't insult them. Just tell them that, hey, you know what? It's not about me. It's about the laws of the community. It's a policy and all of that. We have to release you for a while from the community and all of that. Yeah. So again, I'm saying this. It is very important, right? Mental well-being is very, very important. It will help you concentrate and work and do a lot of things. So just ensure that a community that does not care, about your mental well-being, such community certainly doesn't deserve you. So you can find me here and let's talk more about it, because I know that 7 minutes is just too small for me to talk about what I've been doing in the last 7 years. Thank you.